Hi, welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials. Today we're talking about how to change profile photo on Viber. Maybe you want to update your profile picture to personalize your Viber account or simply give it a fresh look. So today I'm going to show you how to change profile photo on Viber. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. So let's start. First, open your Viber application and log into your account. Once you are logged in, you'll be taken to the main chat screen. In this page, tap on this more icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will open the Viber menu, and from this menu, tap on your current profile photo. Here, tap on your profile photo again, and after that, a menu will pop up below. In this menu, you can either select a photo from your gallery or take a new photo using your device camera. In this video, I will just choose a photo from my gallery. So I will tap on gallery. Here, simply select the photo that you want. For example, I want this photo. So I will tap on it. After that, tap on the select option at the top right corner. Here, you can navigate the portion that you want to show on your profile photo. Once done, tap on the save button. After that, you now have successfully changed your profile photo on Viber. From now on, your new profile picture will now be displayed on your Viber account. There you go. If you wanted to know how to change profile photo on Viber, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way to change profile photo on Viber, leave a comment below. Also, be sure to subscribe for more videos.